I found this one on the junkyard 5 years ago, and it turns out it's not a junk anymore, as some aged games freeze on Nvidia's last generation, so let's PNP. Wait. Do you know why do people bake their GPUs? Because there's no money left to buy food. Actually, the solder melting temperature helps to get rid of the artifacts for a while. 30 seconds in hell, and the picture is as clear as the blue sky. Now, imagine losing one of your AirPods. You still can use one of them, but that sucks. The GPU listens to the CPU's commands with 16 ears. By ears, I mean data lines. But in our case, some of them are damaged. Even so, the GPU works normally, but the low bandwidth is going to affect the frame rate. So, I've got to do some surgery here. Cooling solution, and I can reward myself with the dopamine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to restore more junk. Let me know, okay?